friends, welcome back. I hope you have tried my all the previous recipes. So I'm here with a new recipe, that is the pan pizza. Yes, you heard me correctly. It is the pan pizza which we are going to make at home. So for this I have used our regular normal bread, that is the white bread. Okay, and the ingredients which I am going to use in this pan pizza is, of course, my oregano, that is pizza pasta sizzling, or you can say mixed herbs. Okay, Amul butter just to saute the vegetables, salt, some pepper. If you have that Domino's one sachet, then you can use that also. It's optional. Then this black pepper, mango powder and chaat masala. Yes, all these are the ingredients which I am going to use today. Yes, I have taken as a veggies. You can use, you can add many more veggies to it. So I have taken onion, capsicum, sweet corn and some tomatoes. So tomatoes I have de-seeded. You can also do it if you want, because it won't soggy your breads. So let's start making it. So before, as I am going to make it in the pan, so you have to saute the vegetables just to have that juicy flavors. Okay, so let's start. Let's lift our flame. Okay. Now I am going to add 1 spoon butter to it. Just a little. Not complete 1 spoon, as then you can see as much as required. Okay. Some more I will take. Okay. Now let the butter melt. In this second pan, what we'll do, we'll just roast our bread from one side. Yes, simply I'm going to roast it. I'm not going to add anything in it. Just one side of the bread I'm going to roast like this. Okay, so I have placed 2 breads in a low flame. It was in a high flame. See, now the butter is melted. Now we are going to add our veggies together. Tomatoes we'll add later, but these we can add together. Just a small mix to it, and it should be in a medium flame. Okay. See, as it is getting translucent, you can see the color of your onions. So now this is the perfect time to add other things, that is your salt as per the taste. Okay. Chili, as I am using very little because no one needs, so you can use as per your taste. Black pepper, some chaat masala, and then mango powder. Mango powder is optional, just to give it that tangy flavor. Okay, and then we'll add some of our mixed herbs. In pizza, mixed herbs is essential, right? Just a stir. Oh wow, a good aromatic flavor is coming in. Yes, now you can see our veggies are going to be half done. So this is the perfect time to add our tomatoes in it. I have taken 1 small tomato, that too de-seed, so you can take as per your requirement. Now let's check our breads also, because we are making it very fast. So let's check our bread. Oh, some more is left to be done, so we'll wait for some more time, because it's just a roasted bread we are doing. Now you can see our veggies are half done, like the tomato is also mashy. Our capsicum is half done. Our onions are also translucent, more than that. So now it is the right time to switch off the flame. Okay. And if we check our bread, it is also like this. This is a perfect thing. We will not roast it from this side, because this we are going to bake it on the pan. So this one we need. So like this we'll do to other breads also. It's done. Okay. So let's place the other breads. As I'm going to make this thing for 4 breads. So others also have been placed. Now I am going to teach you how to make the pizza sauce, instant pizza sauce at home. Okay, so for this I have taken Maggi tomato ketchup. You can take any of the ketchup which is available at home. Yes, I want the quantity to be more. So I am going to take like 1 spoon full and 1 more. Like 2 spoons of ketchup Less than, like, I don't like so much of spicy, so some of green chili, that is your chili sauce. Okay, some chili sauce, like 2-3 drops. Yes, some oregano to it, and some chili flakes. We are going to give a mixed stir. Okay, you can like increase the quantity of the chili flakes as per your requirement. So this is like our instant pizza sauce is ready at home. Yes friends, now as I have told you that you have to toast only one side of the bread. Okay, not too much, only this much. So this side is completely good. Okay, so now the side which you have toasted, you have to apply some butter upon it. Okay, like the same butter I have used, Amul one only some, like this. Okay, now you have to add some mozzarella cheese on it. Okay, that is the pizza cheese. So I have taken cheddar cheese because it was there at my home. You can take the pizza cheese, that is mozzarella cheese. Okay, but make sure that you apply it like this only before the veggies, so it will taste better. Now you'll add some homemade red sauce, that which we use for our pizza. Okay, then I'll spread it a bit. Yes, like this. So it will give a good base to it. Spread only some so that it won't soggy the bread. Okay, now we'll add our veggie, the paste which is already half done. Now it's on you how much you want. You can see it's so colorful, it's very yum. If you see, you will feel so drooling, like, oh wow, just grab it. Okay, so it's a tasty bite which you can have it. Okay, now at this stage what you have to do, you have to add some cheese over it. This is a regular cheese cube I have used. You can use any of the cheese cubes. This is the Amul cheese cube I have taken and I have grated. Okay, and now add some oregano or the mixed seasoning over it. And as I have said that we are going to make it on pan, so just light our pan, put it on the low flame, and this pizza or this pan pizza we are going to directly put over the gas, and the other side also we are going to bake it, and we cover it with the cover and wait for a few seconds. Now I am going to teach you how to make the pizza sauce, instant pizza sauce at home. Okay, so for this I have taken Maggi tomato ketchup. You can take any of the ketchup which is available at home. Yes, I want the quantity to be more, so I am going to take like 1 spoon full and 1 more, like 2 spoons of ketchup. Less than, like, I don't like so much of spicy, so some of green chili, that is your chili sauce. Okay, some chili sauce, like 2-3 drops. Yes, some oregano to it, and some chili flakes. We are going to give a mixed stir. Okay, you can like increase the quantity of the chili flakes as per your requirement. So this is like our instant pizza sauce is ready at home. Yes, now baking it after for 3 minutes. Now it's completely done. So just plate it like this. Yes, you can see the texture. It's very yum. It's very good. I'll show the back side also. It's too hot, although I think the cameraman, if you can capture the thing. Is it visible? So this thing you can try at your home. Serve and then let's see how you like it. Okay, now we'll make other also, then I'll show you completely. So now you can see our yummy delicious pizza is ready at home. See, with very few ingredients. If you like this recipe, please comment in the comment section below. Subscribe the recipe. You can serve it with the tomato sauce, green chili or any of the things. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye, take care.